Guess what? Rereading chapters, as always. Way of the Superior Man by David Ada. I will leave you a link with more books in the description, that's for sure. Take it as a Christmas gift from me. So, just like that. Now it's time to hit the back day. Back and bicep today. Thinking about trying something new. I will see. Let's start this off with nice muscle ups, like I always do, but this time I will also implement this front roll, like I did yesterday. The same freestyle exercise, just to practice this movement. Nothing less and nothing more. Because I'm still not capable of doing a complete roll. So I'll try it today as well. Now let's try these fucking rolls. I hope I won't be a sacrifice of a day. I have to somehow get more speed. Question is how. I guess I have to figure it out by myself. So yeah, let's go for another try. It's nearly impossible. As I said, it's really a question how to complete the wall roll, front roll. It's a question to me. Maybe I have to watch more tutorial videos. Who knows? I just met this amazing folk right here. His
My name is Karol. I'm from Poland.
He's a fucking monster, calisthenic guy. So he approached me a few moments ago to set a challenge. We'll go tell it to them. What is this challenge about?
This is challenge
Just
for,
quickly.
This is challenge for power.
For
Challenge
power?
for power. Come on.
All right,
Let's
go
go.
for it. 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Woo! Amazing.
Yeah.
Power is there. Thank you. Right now I'm trying Carl's training routine. Yeah, that's a word. Just a part of it because I'm training today mainly back and bicep. I mean it's fucking amazing. Gates, now you are there. Let's go. That's my guy. So let's go for more. I'll add weight. Carl is doing this for competition, you said, right? so he knows what he's doing, and by that I mean I will do the same because it clearly works. So that's why I have just included weight. So yeah, let's go for it. Now 15 or how many? Now if I did before 15, maximum. Maximum. Okay. Still failure. Ooh. Yeah, it hurts. That's how I like it when it's painful. That's the main reason why I do train, to feel pain. It makes me excited. So that's why. Let's drop weight. And after this, we will do bicep curl. I mean, it's amazing when you go to gym and you're not just behaving like you're on a mission, but you're actually socializing with other folks here. It's great to share 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 experiences. It's really beneficial to look at things from other person's point of view. It can give you many benefits. Ready? I can see it. That. Finish? You're done. Right. I'll go one more. So, chin up, still failure. Whew. Great. It's great to meet folks. Well, the same thing in wave. Disciplined people. They do it clean and do train hard. Great experience today. So now let's go for dumbbell row. I already did 2 sets of 15 because I don't go till failure because when I go to failure I don't count. 15 repetitions. It was 15. Now another 15. Left hand, left side. So I have 3 sets. Let's go for another exercise. Now I'm thinking about 1 set because I have already done pull-ups. So 1 set till failure, then this another more isolated exercise. My energy dropped because I've already invested it into training with Carl. Again, fucking awesome training. I've never before done something similar. It's awesome when you set a challenge with boys. It motivates you a lot to put more effort into what you are doing into this exercise. You want to do 1 more rep every time. I really like to do this exercise because it gives me much better results than just training for just doing pull down. can go for better stretch. I can also go lower. Just like this. I go for 15 reps, 2 or 3 sets. Leaving? You seem scared.
Finito.
Finito?
Finito.
Right. So, yeah. Last goodbye.
You,
Alright. Deal.
you training.
Okay, we can commit. I had to say my last goodbye to Carl. He's already leaving the gym. So, hope to meet this guy again. He's fucking fantastic. Disciplined motherfucker. Now, the second set. One more set, buddy. Let's go for it. But firstly, stay hydrated. If you want to get big muscles, drink more water. That's what we are made of. So yeah, last 15 reps each side. Yeah. Done. Now, I guess it's time for the last exercise. Where's the camera? There it is. As I can see, it's also time to change the battery. This one is already dead. I think it's called Good Mornings, but I am trying a different version of this. It's what my good friend of mine did suggest me. More specifically, it was Lucas who suggested me to do this exercise because he's doing MMA. He knows what he's doing, so as I say it always, I would do what works the best, according to experienced man. Grab it like this, in between my forearm and bicep, and I go for a nice stretch. I can definitely feel it. Good. Today is a very interesting day because gym is literally empty. When you are in the city, it's tough to train in times between 3 or 6 p.m. because gym is obviously overcrowded with students, with young people. I don't want to say I'm old, but you know what I mean. So yeah, now let's go for second set. Just like this. Čau, Luky. Budu muset volit. Však ještě skočím na slovíčko, dojedu serku. Ještě pokecáme. I have just added 10 kilograms, so it's like 30 kilograms with barbell. I can definitely feel it, no doubt. Now one more set and I'm done here. This one was dirty. This was the last one, and by that being said, this is the end of this training session. I didn't hit bicep today, so it was more back-oriented training session this time. I'll hit bicep the next time, maybe tomorrow. I'll see according to time and energy. Now, there are some news I would like to quickly, before wrapping up the vlog, I would quickly like to share with you. And by that being said, top link in description is a link to my life, my vision, brotherhood. It is a self-development community where you can find my much deeper insight on several topics I discuss here on this channel. Plus you can share there your own experience, and you can literally hop on a call with me. I right now every morning I commit there 10 minute call on this community. So if you're interested, go check it out. It's free. And one more thing is that I'll leave there in the description also a link to my book checklist. In other words, book tracker. It's something like a habit tracker with all the books I've read in my life. I mean, self-help books, which helped me a lot. They helped me to create the person I am today. So it's also for free, a gift from me, because Christmas days are approaching. Take it as a present, Christmas present from me. Because I want you to become a better person. By that being said, better yourself and stay true to who you are, brother. Because it's what matters the most. Goodbye.